iPhone 10 unboxing, let's do this. We have instructions and stuffing, and then the iPhone 10. Yay! I got this in space gray. And just open that up. Leave this on here. And here we go. And then some stickers and instructions, which I'll read later after the dentist. Oops. All right, what do we have here? We have the iPhone 10, and this is in space gray, as I said before. And then we have headphones. This doesn't have a headphone jack, but you know, that's okay because I have the wireless. And then also we have the charger. So, but I am going to get a wireless charger soon. Don't know when yet. So next I have a case. I got this off Amazon. I am going to warn you about getting a case at the Dollar Tree. Those offer no support, and I learned that the hard way because I broke my last phone. So yeah, don't get the cases at the Dollar Tree. They offer no protection. They're cute, but you know. So this case I got off Amazon, and it is just a clear case. And it offers a lip that goes around onto the front of the phone, so it offers you more protection. If you would like to see a review for this phone, or if you would like to see what's on my iPhone, then, you know, then leave me a comment. I feel like this robot right now.